Kilalanin natin ang official, new and improved complete lineup ng TNT Tropang Giga para sa PBA 49th Governors Cup. Point guards, Jason Castro, veteran star, 5'10", 185 pounds, 38 years old, 12.9 points, 3.4 rebounds, 4.9 assists, 37% three-point shooter, 69% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Brian Heruela, 5'10", 195 pounds, 35 years old, 2 points, 1 rebound, 0.8 assist, 33% three-point shooter, 9.4 minutes per game in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Reynam Batak, new player via trade from Blackwater, 5'11", 180 pounds, 30 years old, 11 points, 2.8 rebounds, 4.3 assists, 1 steal, 26% three-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Almon Vosotros, call-up player from TNT's PBA 3x3 team, 5'10", 165 pounds, 34 years old, 7.2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 40 field goal percentage, 80% free throw shooter in his last season averages in PBA 3x3. Jello Razon, new rookie player via rookie undrafted signing, 5'11", 170 pounds, 24 years old, 13.2 points, 5.8 rebounds, 4.7 assists, 1.5 steals, 26% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Shooting guards, RR Pugoy, star player, 6'2", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 18.9 points, 4.6 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 36% three-point shooter, 76% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Kim Orin, sophomore, 6'1", 190 pounds, 27 years old, 7.7 points, 1.3 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 52% three-point shooter, 71% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ryan Reyes, 6'2", 190 pounds, 41 years old, 0.8 points, 0.7 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 20% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ping Eximiniano, call-up player from TNT's PBA 3x3 team, 6 feet, 185 pounds, 35 years old, 5.2 points, 2.4 rebounds, 2.1 assists, 33 field goal percentage, 70% free throw shooter in his last season averages in PBA 3x3. Avon Neva, new rookie player via rookie free agent signing, 6'2", 180 pounds, 24 years old, 3.8 points, 0.8 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.3 steals, 27% three-point shooter, 61% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Korean B-League averages. Small forwards, Calvin Oftana, star player, 6'5", 186 pounds, 28 years old, 21.4 points, 9.3 rebounds, 2.7 assists, 39% three-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Paul Varilla, 6'3", 185 pounds, 31 years old, 0.7 points, 1 rebound, 0.1 assist, 42 field goal percentage, 3.9 minutes per game in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. CJ Payawal, new rookie player via rookie free agent signing, 6'3", 176 pounds, 27 years old, 10.9 points, 6.1 rebounds, 1.1 assist, 0.7 steals, 34% three-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Power forwards, Darius Days, Governor's Cup import, 6'6", 245 pounds, 25 years old, 15.4 points, 6.6 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 1.2 steals, 31% three-point shooter, 73% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 NBA G League season averages. Henry Galinato, sophomore, 6'6", 245 pounds, 27 years old, 6 points, 5 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 53 field goal percentage, 69% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Glenn Cobontin, 6'4", 192 pounds, 33 years old, 7.8 points, 3.8 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 26% three-point shooter, 59% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Mark Neil Cruz, rookie, PBA 49 41st draft pick, 6'5", 178 pounds, 29 years old, 6.2 points, 4.1 rebounds, 0.6 assists, 0.3 blocks, 33% three-point shooter, 62% free throw shooter in his 2024 MPBL 6th season averages. Ayon sa source na ito, ay pag matapos daw ang kontrata ni Macbelo sa Zamboanga Valientes ay baka kontakin daw siya ng TNT management upang mag-tryout sa team nila kung pwede pa nga siyang idagdag sa lineup ng TNT this Governor's Cup. Macbelo, pending workout with TNT, 6'4", 185 pounds, 31 years old, 3.4 points, 2.4 assists, 0.3 blocks, 32% three-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Centers, Kelly Williams, team captain, 6'6", 215 pounds, 42 years old, 8.8 points, 7 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 36 field goal percentage, 62% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Barclay Ebonia, 6'6", 194 pounds, 28 years old, 1 point, 1 rebound, 0.1 assist, 80 field goal percentage, 5.4 minutes per game in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Poy Eram, comeback player this Governor's Cup, 6'8", 237 pounds, 35 years old, 5.6 points, 5.4 rebounds, 1 assist, 56 field goal percentage, 61% free throw shooter in his PBA 47th Governor's Cup averages. Brandon Ganuelas Rosser, injured list, 6'6", 220 pounds, 30 years old, 6.5 points, 5.6 rebounds, 1.3 blocks, 19% three-point shooter, 41% free throw shooter in his last PBA 48 Philippine Cup averages. Ito ang official new and improved complete lineup ng TNT Tropang Giga this PBA 49th Governors Cup? Sa tingin nyo mga kababos, hanggang saan kaya ang aabutin ng TNT this PBA 49th Governors Cup sa kanilang bagong lineup na ito? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.